I'm Charlotte, I'm a registered nutritionist, and I'm here with Superdrug to show you how to put together some really simple, healthy meals for the whole family. Today, the recipe that I'm going to show you is for a really great snack, and I absolutely love this one. It's Pitta pizzas. They're very healthy, they're balanced, and they take about 5 minutes to make. First step's really simple. It's just to warm the pita breads. So I'm going to put them in the toaster and just leave them in there for about 20 to 30 seconds, just so that they warm up a little bit. Get some tomato puree, around about 2 tablespoons, with about 3 tablespoons of water. Now, give that a really, really good stir until the water and the tomato puree are really mixed very well. So I'm just going to grab my pittas, pop them on here, and simply spread some of that sauce on top of them. So it's not too soggy, but also that there's enough tomato on there to give it lots of flavour. When it comes to the toppings, this is the best bit, because actually you can add whatever you like to normally have on your pizza. I've pre-chopped these mushrooms. I'm just going to add a little bit of these, couple of cherry tomato halves, tear on some spinach. So for me, I really like to add a little bit of mozzarella, and I like to add grated cheese, because actually I think the textures of both work really well. It's simple as just popping it on a tray and putting it in the oven and giving it a little grill for about 5–10 minutes. The best thing about these is they're really balanced. They contain carbohydrates, you've got vegetables in there, you can add protein to top, and of course they've got some dairy in there too, making the perfect snack or light lunch.